How's it going, YouTubers? Let's talk about the Galaxy Note, and this is the international version, and let's talk about overclocking and heat. Something that I don't hear get discussed very often is the heat. My phone's on stock clocks at the moment, and let's run a quadrant score. And I'm going to talk about heat and solutions to that problem while this runs. One thing that you can try is taking your case thing off, because this is like putting a blanket over it. Something that I thought would try, and in theory it's a good idea. I got a metal back and some thermal paste, and because I had it get hot enough to the point where it shut down on me. So I put a metal battery door on it, and this does dissipate heat, but something else that this does that's not such a good thing is it demolishes your signal. I mean, my signal was so bad I actually thought my phone got deactivated, because places where I normally get 1 or 2 bars, I had, the red, or I had the no smoking sign, the 0, no signal. So metal battery door, waste of money, I'm going to be putting this back on eBay, but unlike the person that sold it to me, I'm going to put that it does cut signal down, so probably cuts battery life too for that reason. Okay, benchmark results, let's take a look. Your device, 4,504. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's go, let's hit my overclocking module, load overclocking module, put the scaling on 14, put the minimum on 12, apply, and the GPU, let's turn the clock up to 400, apply, and let's turn the voltage up to 1100. I don't exactly recommend that anybody do this, and let's lock the minimum megahertz to 267. And okay, yeah, I forgot about the stability testing on the overclock. So it passed the stability testing. Now I can run the quadrant. Takes a couple minutes to stability test. So we're going to run a full benchmark now. Yeah, and my solution to the heat issue is this little doohickey I made here. It's a CPU fan. Cut a slot for it. I glued it to a business card holder. I got some rubber bands to keep the phone from slipping out. And then I just soldered a USB plug onto the end. And then you can plug this into a computer, or you can plug this into a charger. And then you plug that into the wall, or whatever. And then this little fan here spins. And you just set the phone on there, and let me tell you right now, I was gaming on this thing with it fully overclocked for well over an hour playing Shadowgun, which is a demanding game also, and it did not overheat, it didn't even get hot. So okay, now my new quadrant score, as you can see here with the overclock, is 5,024, which is well faster than the HTC One X now. So, and as you can see, the 3D score is a lot higher, 2,341. It was like, I think, 1,800 before. So that overclocking that GPU substantially increases your 3D gaming performance. And with this little fan setup I made here, I mean, you can literally overclock this thing to the max, 1.6 gigahertz on both cores, overclock the GPU, and you can just sit there and game with no worries and absolutely smooth performance. So I hope this helps somebody, and thank you for watching.